Travel and discovery. Hello, everyone. If you're looking for a place to experience something truly different, Morocco will surely be a destination that will surprise you. Imagine a journey that takes you from the lush green streets of Chefchaouen, the blue city that looks like it's straight out of a fairy tale, to the endless sand dunes of the Sahara Desert, where the sunset transforms everything into a brilliant golden-orange painting. And that you will be captivated by the vibrant atmosphere of Jemaa el-Fnaa in Marrakech, where the sounds of Berber instruments, the rich scent of spices, and the glow of craft stalls keep your eyes glued to the scene. Or you can take a leisurely stroll in Rabat, the peaceful capital with its charming ancient vibe, where the Hassan Tower and the Royal Mausoleum quietly tell the story of a golden era. That's Morocco, a colorful painting with the perfect blend of tradition and modernity, majestic nature and rich culture. Pack your bags and get ready to set off, so Morocco can tell you its own story. A story unlike any other. Let's get started. Rabat, the serene and historically rich capital of Morocco, is not only the administrative heart of the country, but also a remarkable cultural destination. The city is famed for the Kasbah of the Udayas, an ancient quarter by the Bou Regreg River, where you'll be enchanted by the charming blue and white houses. Don't miss the Hassan Tower, an unfinished masterpiece from the 12th century. And the Royal Mausoleum, the final resting place of Morocco's monarchs. With its unique blend of ancient allure and modern sophistication, Rabat offers a tranquil yet profoundly captivating atmosphere. Marrakech, often referred to as the Red City, is a vibrant crossroads of lively energy and traditional culture. The city stands out with Jemaa el-Fnaa, its colorful central square, where you can listen to Berber musicians perform or savor local delicacies. Iconic landmarks like the Bahia Palace and the vividly hued Majorelle Garden tell stories of a rich history and artistic legacy. Additionally, as the gateway to the Atlas Mountains, Marrakech is an ideal destination for those who appreciate the dynamic mix of urban excitement and natural beauty. Chefchaouen, nestled in the Rif Mountains, is a unique blue gem of Morocco. The highlight of this place is its blue-painted walls and streets, creating a scene that is both dreamlike and serene. Founded in 1471 as a fortress to defend against Portuguese invaders, the city now attracts visitors with its timeless charm. Chefchaouen is also a shopping paradise, offering unique handcrafted products, and is an ideal spot for relaxation, sightseeing, or capturing memorable photographs. Ouarzazate, often referred to as the Hollywood of Africa, is a prominent destination located at the gateway to the Sahara Desert. The city is not only famous for its large film studios, but also for its unique architectural landmarks, such as the clay-built Qsar fortresses, with the most notable being Casbah Tourir. This is one of Morocco's key cultural heritage sites, reflecting the fusion of Arab and Berber cultures. Ouarzazate is also the starting point for Desert Sahara adventures, offering visitors unforgettable and extraordinary experiences. The Sahara Desert, a vast and endless expanse of land, is a must-visit destination when traveling to Morocco. In Merzouga, with its towering sand dunes, you can experience camel riding or camp under a star-filled sky. The Sahara is not only a place of untamed nature, but also a repository of traditional stories from the native Berber people. As the sunset casts its golden glow over the dunes, the scenery becomes so mesmerizing that it's impossible to forget. This is truly an opportunity to connect with the timeless beauty of nature and ancient culture. Fes, the oldest city in Morocco, is a living museum of history and culture. Founded in the 8th century, Fes is renowned for Fes El Bali, the largest medieval old town in the world, recognized by UNESCO as a World Heritage Site. Don't miss the University of Al Qarawiyyin, the oldest continuously operating university in the world. In addition, the traditional leather workshops create a vibrant scene amidst the adobe houses. Visiting Fez means experiencing the authentic Morocco, where history and daily life blend together naturally. Casablanca, the largest city in Morocco, is a symbol of growth and modernity. The most striking landmark is the Hassan Tower Mosque, one of the largest mosques in the world, with a minaret that reaches 689 feet in height. Casablanca is not only an economic hub, but also preserves traces of the French colonial era through its Art Deco-style architecture. With its youthful and dynamic atmosphere, it is the perfect place to enjoy urban life, shop at bustling markets, or sip coffee by the seaside. Essaouira is a charming coastal city that offers a sense of comfort and tranquility. Once an important trading post between Africa, Europe, and the Middle East, the city has become a unique cultural crossroads. With its ancient city walls recognized by UNESCO as a World Heritage Site, a bustling harbor, and a beautiful, expansive beach, Essaouira is a must-visit destination. The fresh seafood here also offers a unique culinary experience, making it an unforgettable treat for visitors. Whether you're exploring its rich history or enjoying its coastal beauty, Essaouira offers a blend of cultural and sensory delights. The Atlas Mountains are the ideal destination for nature enthusiasts and adventure seekers. With the summit of Mount Toubkal towering at 13,671 feet, it is the highest peak in North Africa, attracting climbers from around the world. This mountain range not only boasts breathtaking beauty, but also serves as the home of the Berber people, indigenous inhabitants with a rich culture and unique traditions. Visitors can embark on an incredible journey through lush valleys. Visit charming villages, or challenge themselves to conquer steep mountain peaks, creating unforgettable memories during their exploration. Ait Benhaddou is a stunning ancient village, recognized by UNESCO as a World Heritage Site. Renowned for its unique clay buildings and architecture. Located along an ancient caravan route, it was once an important stop for merchants for centuries. With its nostalgic atmosphere, it feels as though it has stepped out of a fairy tale, and Ait Benhaddou has served as the backdrop for many famous films such as Gladiator and Game of Thrones. Visiting this place transports you to a mysterious and captivating historical era. making it an unforgettable experience. Exploring Morocco is truly an enchanting journey, where history, culture, and nature come together to create unforgettable experiences. From ancient cities and traditional villages to vast deserts and majestic mountain ranges, every step tells an intriguing story. Let Morocco captivate you with its pristine beauty. And the warm hospitality of its people. And rest assured, this trip will leave lasting memories. If you found this video interesting and meaningful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Feel free to leave any questions or comments in the comments section. We wish you amazing adventures, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.